So it's asking which value is equal to 5% of 1500. Value is equal to 5% of 1500. So let's take a moment to think about this problem here, and we will take it up together. Again, we're given a percentage here, and we want to convert it into a fraction or a decimal for us to solve for this problem here. So it says here which value is 5% is equal to 5% of 1500. Again, I can always convert this percentage into a decimal or a fraction. To fraction or decimal. And again, if you're not given a calculator on these assignments here, you would probably pick the fraction example here. So if I'm converting a percentage into a fraction, get 5%. Towards a fraction here, again, I simply have to divide by 100, right? So I can simply say times 1 over 100. This here would be 5 over 100 here. And this here is my fraction form of the percentage 5%. And what I could do is I can now take 5 over 100. I'm going to multiply that by 1500 to solve for what the value is equal to 5% of 1500, right? So I can say that I can basically I can put this over 1 here. I can say that 100 here cancels out, and I can divide 1500 by 100, which would be 15, right? So, and then I have to do 5 times 15 here. 5 times 15 is 75, divided by 1, right? Which is simply just 75 here. So this solution is correct again. Therefore, 5% of 1500 is equal to 75. Again, I got 75 as well. So the solution is correct. Good analysis here.